In today's video, I will teach you how to get deep black tones in Lightroom. Let's get started. Achieving rich, deep black tones in Lightroom can enhance contrast, create a dramatic mood, and add depth to your images. Whether you're editing a portrait, landscape, or a fashion photo, adjusting black tones correctly ensures a clean and professional look without losing detail. First, we're going to launch Adobe Lightroom and import your image. Then switch to the Develop module by pressing D on your keyboard. Now we're going to adjust the basic panel settings. The basic panel is where you'll make the initial adjustment to deepen black tones. First, move the black sliders to the left to around -10 to -50 to darken the deepest shadows. But be careful not to crush too much detail. And if needed, you can adjust the shadow sliders to control the midtone shadows and lower it slightly to around -10 to -30 to enhance contrast while retaining some details in dark areas. Now move the contrast slider to the right to around 10 to 30 to make black tones pop against highlights. Now reduce highlights if bright areas are too strong and slightly decrease the exposure if the image looks too bright. Now we're going to fine-tune with the tone curve. The tone curve allows precise control over black tones and overall contrast. Switch to the point curve mode, then click the lower part of the curve, which are the shadows and blacks area, and drag it slightly downward. This deepens the black tones without affecting the midtones too much. An optional step is lifting the black point. If you want a faded black look, simply lift the very bottom left of the curve slightly. Now we're going to use the HSL panel for better black tones. The HSL or Hue, Saturation, and Luminance panel can help refine black tones in colored areas. First, we're going to reduce the luminance in dark colors. Select the Luminance tab and lower the luminance of blues and greens slightly to darken background elements. For portraits, avoid lowering orange too much as it affects the skin tones. Now we're going to desaturate blacks for a cleaner look. In the Saturation tab, reduce the saturation of blues and purples to remove color noise and shadows. Now we're going to use the Calibration panel for deeper colors. First, we're going to adjust the Blue Primary slider. Simply move the Blue Primary slider left for a deeper cinematic black. This subtly darkens shadows and boosts contrast. And for final touches, go to the Effects panel and apply a post-crop vignette with around -10 to -30 for a darker frame. Then adjust the feather slider for a smooth transition. And now you know how to get deep, rich black tones in Lightroom for a bold and dramatic effect. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.